In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Payoneer password. We'll move step by step from finding the official site to confirming the change so you can get back into your account quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and search for Payoneer. On the results page, choose the official website. Check for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure the site name is spelled correctly to avoid lookalikes. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In to go to the login page. Under the login fields, select Forgot Password to start the recovery process. You'll be prompted for your registered email address or your username. Enter the one linked to your account, then click Reset Password. If you use more than one email, pick the one you originally used with Payoneer and double-check for typos. Next, verify your identity with your phone number. Type the number associated with your account and click Send Code. Keep your phone nearby and make sure any country code shown is correct. The one-time code you receive is private. Don't share it. When the text message arrives, enter the code exactly as shown and click Next. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment. You may also see an option to resend. After your code is verified, Payoneer sends a confirmation email. Open your inbox, find the message, and click the Reset Password link or button inside. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folders and always confirm the sender is legitimate. Reset links can expire, so open it promptly on a secure device and connection. Now create your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a long passphrase with a mix of character types, and avoid anything easily guessed. Type it once, confirm it to match, then click Reset Password. Consider saving it in a trusted password manager so you won't lose it. You should now see a message confirming your password has been changed. Head back to Sign In and log in with your new password. If your browser or device previously saved your old one, update the saved entry to prevent future login issues. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Payoneer password. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your recovery details up to date so future resets are quick and stress-free.